Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to publish an app on Google Play Store. First, make sure you already have a Google Play developer account. Once that is ready, open the Play console in your browser and sign in. On the home screen, select the option to create a new app. Choose a default language for your app and enter the app name as you want users to see it on Google Play. You can change both later if needed. Next, select whether your product is an app or a game. Then choose if it will be free or paid. Keep in mind that free games can appear on Google Play Games on PC by default, while paid games need manual release for PC. Add a valid email address so users can contact you about the app. In the declarations area, confirm that you follow the developer program policies and US export laws. Accept the Play app signing terms. After that, select Create App to continue. Once the app is created, you will see the app dashboard. This guides you through the setup process. You start by entering details about your app content and completing the Play Store listing, such as description, screenshots, and icons. After that, move to the release section where you manage testing, pre-release checks, and promotions. Google Play requires Android app bundles instead of single APK files. You only upload one bundle and Google handles device-specific versions for you. Make sure your package name is correct because it is unique and cannot be changed or reused later. If your developer account was created after November 13th, 2023, you must complete the required testing before public release. Finally, choose your release status. Draft means not visible to users, active means live, and archived means no longer available. After publishing the app, Google will verify it. Once verified, your app will be live on Play Store. Thanks for watching.